Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video it will be about waves, and as usual in the last 2 or 3 minutes of this video I'll also discuss about Bitcoin. As you well know, Bitcoin has an influence on all crypto space, and today I'll provide you an update. If you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot this channel to grow and it helps in YouTube algorithm. Give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. Today it is 5th May 2024, and I want to wish all of you that are celebrating the Easter happy Easter, and may God bless you all. And let's get started. Today waves it is at about 2.43 US dollars. The market cap it is around 278.5 million US dollars, and the volume in the last 24 hours it is around 31.7 million US dollars. The market cap and the volumes are very low. I believe that this token will have much room to grow, and maybe that's a good thing, because as you see here from this chart, the trend it is upwards. So maybe this token will provide us a new higher high, but we will discuss on TradingView furthermore. Let's see what exactly was the all-time high. It is around $63. It is from 31 March 2024, about 2 years ago. And what exactly is Waves? Waves is a decentralized blockchain platform. It was founded in 2016 by the Russian entrepreneur Alexander Ivanov. The platform is designed to facilitate the creation of decentralized application and decentralized finance. Waves offers users a user-friendly interface and tools for creating custom tokens. The Waves token is used for transaction and as a collateral for custom tokens. Waves simplifies the process for developers to build their own decentralized apps. The platform operates on the proof of stake consensus, and also Waves has support for issuance of custom tokens, allowing users to create their own cryptocurrencies for crowdfunding and other applications. The Waves token is designed as an ecosystem aimed at facilitating transactions and promoting the use of the Waves blockchain. More about this you can find online. Let's discuss about the purpose of this video, the analysis using TradingView. And here we are on TradingView. We have Waves paired with US dollar at 1 day, and the chart it is from crypto. And since last fall, since more exactly October 2023, you can see that this token put higher highs and higher lows. And let's have a few measurements. Here we have an increase of 127% in 75 days, and till this point it is an increase of 249% in 147 days. That's pretty fair if you ask me. More recent pump was from this level from 5th February 2023 to this local top that was in 14 March 2024, 151% in 38 days. That's very impressive if you ask me. The time period it's very short, and the pump was pretty impressive. Okay, and the overall trend here, as I told you, it is upwards. Let's put the 20 and the 200 daily simple moving average on daily and see what's going on here. And as you can see right now, the price it is testing the 20 daily simple moving average. Right now this one acts as a resistance. 20 SMA it is at 2.45. the actual price it is 2.42. It will test again this level. What I'm saying this again because was tested in the past. We have here on the 13 April a clear rejection. From now wants to test again, and we will see if this will break and will go even above 200 daily simple moving average. As you can see here, we have a dead cross between the 20 and 200 daily SMAs, and if this trend upwards will continue, maybe we'll have a golden cross and the price will test higher levels. Okay, and the overall situation here, I believe it is very clear. We have this uptrend. Let's look also on other indicators on stochastic RSI and RSI. And right now, as you can see, stochastic RSI it is an uptrend. It is very close to the overbought area. It is bullish, and RSI right now it is in a small uptrend. It is still at the lower levels of this band, but the trend start to become bullish. From my point of view, maybe we'll see an increase to the overbought area like we did in 13 March and also here on late December 2023. And I truly believe that Bitcoin still preserves its bullish movement. Right now it is somewhere around 64k. Waves will test newer highs and maybe will put a new higher high. Here the high was around $4.98, and if the token will put a newer high, must exceed this area. So in a short period of time, maybe we'll see a movement that is something like this, and this maybe will follow. I don't know if this will be 100% possible. It also depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will become bearish and will visit lower levels, for example 54.5k or even 52k, the trend will be downward and waves will test lower levels, for example around $2. Here it was an important support from 5 February 2024, so this year, and maybe lower levels around 1.75 or even lower levels. We don't know exactly for sure what might happen, but for now on daily everything looks good, everything looks bullish. Stochastic RSI, it is bullish. If RSI will go upwards, the price momentum will continue and will go upwards as well. Okay, let's move out on other time frame, and this time will be on weekly. And on weekly we can see that stochastic RSI is bearish, it is in oversold area. RSI since last fall of 2023, it is in uptrend. We can see the yellow line that is bullish, it is in uptrend, despite the fact that RSI has a retracement since 25 March. I believe this moving average will be tested again and will go up to overbought area. That's my personal opinion. So if I put here a line, this trend, it is clearly something like this. It all depends on the Bitcoin, it all depends on news, on the market, but if everything will kept positive, this token will have a 100% increase in a few weeks and will exceed the $5 stop that established here on 11 March. That's my personal opinion. Okay, let's see other indicators, and for this I'll put the 20 and 50 weekly simple moving average, and I personally consider the 20 SMA an important indicator that tells us if the price movement it is bullish or bearish. Right now the price it is below the 20 weekly SMA. 20 SMA right now it is 2.73, but I think that this level will be tested shortly, and maybe we'll have a pump like I told you a few minutes ago. And if we look very closely here, the price it is in this channel that formed between the 20 and 50 weekly SMA. 20 SMA, as I told you, it is at resistance, and 50 SMA it is at support. 50 SMA right now it is $2.18. And if we look at the bigger picture and we'll take a step back, you can see that from its inception this chart looks bullish, if you ask me, overall. So we have here higher lows and higher highs. If I put here the 20 weekly simple moving average, you can see that since 2020 this token was in a bullish momentum. After that followed the bear market of Bitcoin, and most of altcoins was in a downtrend, including waves. A few times went above this level. Here it is a more clear example from late January 2022 when it had this spike, and let's measure this increase in price. Here we have an increase of about, let's see, 740% in 56 days, more or less. Okay, that's very impressive. And I'll put here the Bitcoin USD chart and see what's happening here. So after this retracement from Bitcoin, when put it the second peak from 2021, it had a retracement, bounced back, and the waves performed even better than Bitcoin, and we will see this on the next chart. And after that followed the bear market. Waves went downwards, and starting from January 2023, Bitcoin entered in a new bull market that put a new all-time high, but waves performed worst. You can see very clearly here the Bitcoin chart has a big momentum and waves not so impressive. That's the reality, and we will see this soon. Okay, that's my personal opinion, that's my personal thoughts. What do you think about this comparison? Leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me your opinions. I believe that this trend will continue, and after we had this type of chart, waves will put another highs, and the chart will look probably something like this. So we have higher highs, and waves will put another high in I don't know, maybe next year in 2025. We will see about this. Maybe I'm wrong. I personally believe that this is a real possibility. Okay, let's look a little about waves performed against Bitcoin, and I'll choose the chart from Kraken. And as you can see, in 2019 up to September 2021, waves performs better against Bitcoin. The trend, it is upwards, and we have these pumps that here you have 133% in 28 days. Here it is also a pump of 100% in 42 days, 291% in 105 days, and until this top it is 377% in 224 days. Overall trend looks very good. Here you have another pump of 446% in 119 days, and till this one 467% in 245 days. That's very impressive. After that followed that downtrend, and the most impressive peak, it is this one against Bitcoin, that is 513% in 56 days. Very impressive. After that followed pumps like 130%, 71%, and even lower movements, but overall trend, it is downwards. And I'll put here the 20 weekly simple moving average on this chart, and you can see that after this big pump, the price stood most of the time below the 20 weekly SMA. So it was a bearish movement, waves paired with Bitcoin, and that's the reality. Okay, let's discuss a little bit about Bitcoin. Today, 5 May 2024, and right now Bitcoin, it is at 64.3k. The Fear and Greed Index right now, it is at 58. It is neutral, and it is in uptrend since the last days. Maybe we'll enter in this light green area. This is greed. And Bitcoin dominance, it is also in a slight increase. Right now it is 53.5%. And let's look a little bit on the chart. Bitcoin paired with US dollar at 1 day, and the chart, it is from crypto. We are back in a training view platform, and as you can see, since 2nd May we have this bullish movement. The total increase by now from this lower level, it is at 14.19% in 4 days. Bitcoin's price managed to go to this middle band of this channel that I draw, but this channel maybe will have to readjust, because as you can see on 1st May Bitcoin put a new low that was around 56.5k. Many of us believe that Bitcoin will visit the lower levels, maybe 54.5k, but wasn't the case. Started to pump again, and even exceed that line that I drew a couple of days ago, and I believe that's a good sign. Took it as a support. Maybe we'll visit this area, this top, that it is around 67k, and if this will be exceeded, I believe the next target, it will be somewhere around 70k. If this will be tested and the price will go above this channel, most likely we'll test the 74k that was the all-time high of Bitcoin by now. That it is a probability. We discuss here only probabilities. Nobody knows 100% what might happen, but these are my ideas, these are my personal analysis. Leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me more about this. If you have another suggestion, you can tell me about this. Okay, that's the whole situation about today. I believe that waves has a big potential for this cycle, and will put a new all-time high above $64. That's my personal opinion. and it all depends on Bitcoin. It all depends on the news. It all depends on how positive it is the market. That's the whole situation. It all depends on the stock market and on S&P 500, on Nasdaq. You can check all the charts and compare with Bitcoin, because stock market, it also influences Bitcoin, and Bitcoin influences the altcoins. That's the whole circle. Okay guys, thank you for joining me here today. Happy holidays everyone, happy Easter. I hope that you are well, and till next time, I'll see you soon, and take care.